Hi guys, this is Eric from Agile Design Fabrication, and today we're going to assemble our VIREO media console. Fairly simple process. So once we have our three profile pieces that are going to hold the shelves, we can join them together using this long piece right here, and this will already give us an idea of the shape of the piece. So the profile pieces all have a back notch like here, the front being indicated by these long slots here. So these just fit in like this. And if they're a little tighter, you can use the rubber mallet that comes with the package. So like this. And then this open-faced one here goes in the middle. So once we have our basic frame like this, then we can slide in the shelf. Before we slide in the shelves, we put these long supports here in the slots. So there's one for the top shelf here and another one for the bottom shelf here. Our great big long one like this goes at the bottom. There you go. That's our VIREO console.